I am down in beautiful New South Wales driving the new Lotus Emeya Sedan. Now this is fully electric. Let's jump straight in and see how it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Emeya, there are Isofix in the two outer seats. Now they're underneath a big flap of the seat base fabric. You just lift it up and then underneath there you've got your Isofix. Now they look like they'd be nice and easy to connect to, and I'm looking forward to testing this out with a range of child seats when I have it with my family soon. Now looking at the space back here is lovely and spacious, and the legroom is very good. I think we definitely get those two child seats in, and I'm looking forward to testing if we'll get a third or an adult in the central seat here. Now there are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs, which are really nice and easy to access through the boot. Now the foot room is really good in here. The central seat does have a little less room in the footwell, a little less kick room, so you will have to straddle that ever so slightly. Now this is kind of pinch yourself stuff. Who wouldn't want to do school drop-off in an electric Lotus? Now I love driving sedans, and this is no exception. It's got that lovely, smooth, grounded sedan feeling where you feel like you're connected to the road. I am really enjoying driving the Emeya. It's got a really good range, set between 495 and 600 kilometers to a full battery range. Which is a really good amount for everyday family life, school drop-offs, commutes, things like that, a bit of motorway driving here and there. And it's also a decent amount for road trips and holidays as well. You know, you travel 500 kilometers or a little bit more and then stop for a break anyway to give the passengers a break. So it's a real life kind of battery range. Visibility is fantastic in here. I've got lovely visibility out of the front. It's really nice and spacious and airy feeling. And I think for those rear passengers as well, they'll have a good view out of the sides. The windows do go up at the back, but I'm told that the rear seats, actually you can adjust them electronically. So you might be able to raise those up to give the rear passengers a better view out, which would hopefully help with kids and travel sickness. Now you have instant acceleration in here because it's an EV, which is fantastic. So if you're at a roundabout or a junction, you can accelerate out of there really nice and quickly. You've got that instant power, which is great. And the boot door of the Emeya opens and closes really nice and quietly with a single press, which is going to be great when you've got your hands full of your kids and all their things. The boot here is really nice and big. It's a little shallow, so I'm looking forward to testing our taller prams out when I have this with my family soon. I've really enjoyed driving the Lotus Emeya today. You can see the full review when I have it with my family in a few weeks' time.